Hi, this is Ms. Pellegrin, and we're continuing on our homework help. So now we have a multiplication problem. Again, anytime we have any mixed numbers, we need to change them. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 is 16, 17, 18, over 5 times 2 over 9, and no integers to worry about whatsoever. So we just need to multiply straight across. So 18 times 2 gives me 36. And 5 times 9 gives me 45. Okay. And then I need to think about if that would simplify. So I don't have the same answer, so I'm just re-looking over my work. Okay. Oh wait, no, I'm looking at the wrong one. Rational numbers, where's that? Rational numbers, yes. Okay, I don't have the same answer because I do need to simplify it. Okay, so 9 will go into both of these numbers. 9 will go into 36 4 times, and 9 will go into 45 5 times. So there's my answer. 4/5. Okay. Convert to a decimal. So my answer is going to be a -5 point, because it says -5 and 1/20th. So 1/20th. All I do is I divide 1 divided by 20, and that gives me 0.05. And so there's my answer. It's that easy. Okay, if you have a calculator, that is. That easy if you have a calculator. Otherwise, you have a little bit of long division. Okay, and then finally number 5, which number is the largest? Okay, so first of all, we're dealing with negatives, so we have to remember that if it's technically bigger, that it's actually smaller because it's further away from the 0 on the number line. And then the next thing that I see is I see that I have a fraction, and then the other two are decimals. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change that fraction to a decimal. So 5 divided by 8 in my calculator. So my new number, instead of that, I'm going to put 0.625, and it is a negative still. Okay, so that didn't change at all. Okay, so let's see. 0.65 and then 0.622 and then 0.625. So I want it closer to the number line. Okay, so the 6's are all the same, so that does not help me at all. Okay, so then I'm looking at the 2's. Okay, because the 5 is going to be bigger than any of the 2's. So that number is larger, or because it's negative, it's further away from the number line. So which number is the largest? Is negative 0.65. That one is the largest. But if it asks us to put it in order, from least to greatest, I would say that this is the largest. Oh, I'm thinking the wrong thing. Okay, largest. Okay, so that's least value. Okay, let's put it in order before I say which one's the largest. Okay, so that one's the least value because it's further away from the 0. And then I'm looking at the 2 2's, and they're the same, so they don't help me any. Okay, and so then I'm looking at the 2 and the 5, and the 5 is bigger, and so therefore, because it's a negative, 0.625, or negative 0.625, is the next smallest number And then the largest number then would be left to be 0.622. So this one is the largest number.